Ever heard the word ether and wondered what it actually means? You're not alone. It's a term that pops up in old science books, spiritual discussions, and even modern physics. But here is the catch. Different types of ether can mean wildly different things depending on who you ask. Let's unravel this fascinating concept and explore the many faces of ether. First up, let's rewind the clock to the era of classical physics. Before Einstein changed everything, scientists pictured the universe as being filled with an invisible substance called the luminiferous ether. They believed it was the medium that light waves needed to travel through, much like sound waves travel through air. But they didn't stop there. They proposed different ethers for different forces. There was the luminiferous ether for light, a gravitational ether to explain gravity's pull, and even magnetic and electric ethers for their respective fields. Scientists like James Clerk Maxwell and even Isaac Newton flirted with these ideas, trying to find one single substance that connected everything. Then, in 1905, Einstein's theory of relativity came along and showed that this mechanical ether wasn't necessary. Space-time itself was the fabric. But funnily enough, even Einstein later admitted that space-time has properties that make it act a bit like an ether, just not a physical, material one. Now, let's switch gears and step into the world of metaphysics and esoteric traditions. Here, ether or ether is something entirely different. It's seen as the subtle, living energy that bridges the gap between pure spirit and the physical world. These systems describe multiple layers or grades of ether, each vibrating at a different frequency. For example, there's the chemical ether, which governs physical growth and vitality. Then there's the life ether, the force that animates living things. The light ether is the medium for perception, color, and warmth, and perhaps the most famous, the reflective or akashic ether, is said to be a cosmic memory bank recording every thought, sound, and event that has ever happened. These ideas are found in Hermeticism, Rosicrucian teachings, and Hindu cosmology with its concept of Akasha. Each ether is a different frequency band of reality, connecting energy with consciousness. So, did modern science just throw the ether away? Not exactly. While the old-school luminiferous ether was retired, its core idea that empty space isn't really empty made a huge comeback under new names. Think about the quantum vacuum or the zero-point field. Physics tells us this is a seething background of energy that exists even in the emptiest parts of space. Sounds a bit like an ether, right?